I've been excited to show this to you guys for a long time. Haloview sent us this a while back. We just haven't had a chance to install it. But we're going to show you today the installation and the use of a backup camera. Now, this being said, this doesn't get Juby out of all of her crazy backup hand signals, whatever they may be. Zay, where are your hand signals? You look like you have a smoothie soul patch.
There it is.
7-inch wireless monitor camera system. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, look at this. Huge monitor. Lighter cord. Bolts and screws. Here are the antennas. These attached to the camera and the camera display. Of this fancy little camera cover that goes something like this. What are you doing? So whenever you're mounting the camera in the back, this is a magnet and it's ridiculous. I threw it on a hunk of metal at the front of the bus to test it out. I literally almost couldn't get it off. This is a ridiculous magnet. Like, it will hurt you if you get between it and metal. That's right. Be careful with that, don't touch metal. Here is our backup camera portion. Very nice, small, sleek. So now, this is the fun part. Let's get this thing installed. So one of the things they said in the instructions is to not permanently install it until you've turned it all on and saw that it has a good reception. I'd like to introduce you to my very janky cigarette lighter charger. Jubes, please show them. So it works with the pre-cut hole that was put in there in the very beginning on the control panel. Was not the right size. Once you have the cigarette lighter charger installed, it's pretty much easy to use. You know, I mean, all you gotta do is plug that in. There's an on switch here, and then you can come down here to your screen and press the on switch here, and there's your camera. Now, we don't have signal because we don't have the back camera set up yet, but we're gonna go set that up now.
Nicely done. Azalea, come inside.
We ran the wire from the back to the back. Fortunately, it was a wire that I had already run, and I forgot what it was even for, but ran it into our DC panel. The camera technically should be working now. Let's go find out. All right, drum roll. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, crap, I gotta press the pair key.
But hurry, 16 seconds. Where is it? Here, hold the camera, I'll go.
No, you
Where is it?
Here, take
oh my
it quick.
God.
Go, 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 go.
16 seconds. Run, babe. Oh, 5 seconds. No signal. Let's try that again. All right, babe, run out there. Ready? Wait. Okay, go. Oh, it's working.
Shut up.
Yeah, with sound.
You see me?
Yeah, hi, Pops. What do you think, Azalea? That's awesome. Do you see Pops in it? That's not Mama. Pops? Yeah, it is. There's a beard on the screen.
It's done. Haloview, thank you. Extremely good resolution, easy to install, didn't take that long. Wink, it actually kind of did, but it wasn't Haloview's fault. It's my fault. It's user error. Needless to say, I'm excited to give it a try. And if you need a backup camera, Haloview is for you.